A jigger is a bartending tool with one or two different-sized measuring cups on each end, used for precise pouring and measuring of liquids when making cocktails. A Japanese jigger is a type of bartending jigger with a distinctive design. It usually features a tall, slender shape with clearly marked measurement lines on the interior. The measurements are often in milliliters and can vary, providing precision when crafting Japanese-style cocktails, which often prioritize exact measurements. The design and functionality of the Japanese jigger contribute to the meticulous and refined nature of Japanese mixology. A multi-level jigger is a bartending tool with multiple measurement levels, often in the form of nested cups or cylinders. This design allows for flexibility in measuring various volumes of liquid, making it convenient for preparing cocktails with different ingredient ratios. Bartenders use these tools to accurately pour specific amounts of liquids, ensuring consistency in drink recipes. A double jigger is a bartending tool used for measuring and pouring precise amounts of liquid when preparing cocktails. It typically has two different-sized measuring cups on each end, providing versatility for various drink recipes. The dual-sided design allows bartenders to easily switch between measurements without the need for multiple tools. This ensures accuracy and consistency in the proportions of ingredients used in cocktails. A bell jigger is a type of double jigger used in bartending. It consists of two bell-shaped cups of different sizes attached to each end of a handle. The larger bell typically holds a standard measurement, while the smaller one allows for more precise measurements. Bartenders use the bell jigger to accurately pour specific amounts of liquid when crafting cocktails, ensuring consistency in flavor and proportion. The OXO measuring cup jigger is a versatile tool that combines a measuring cup and a jigger for cocktail enthusiasts. It typically features measurement markings for both liquids and solids, making it convenient for both cooking and mixing drinks.